IKONICS Corporation started in 1952. We have 2 locations in Duluth, Minnesota. We started as a screen print manufacturing company. We branched out in the late 80s, early 90s, and started creating products for the decorative sand carving market.
IKONICS Imaging has a variety of customers, from the large-scale shops that are producing thousands of pieces a day to your regular just mom-and-pop shop that you see in a small town. The main end customers for IKONICS Imaging are in the awards and personalization market, anything that you can think of decorative on many different substrates. You have the glass industry again, signage, automotive, large-scale signage, architectural, just many different industries with decorative sand carving.
With IKONICS Imaging, we sell direct to the end user domestically. Internationally, we do sell through distributors, and we do have a master distributor in the US, JDS Industries. We are seeing growth in the awards and personalization market. At all the trade shows, there's many companies that are still getting into decorative sand carving. They're adding sand carving to their businesses. We do sell into 93 countries around the world, and in 3 to 5 years, that's going to continue to grow with more companies getting into decorative sand carving.
The company itself has a number of new products that we have going on. One of the most exciting ones that we have with our IKONICS Imaging division would be a product called Laser Orange.
Laser Orange allows companies to utilize their laser and their sandblaster, combining both technologies.
I'm the primary operator of the laser. We have a couple other individuals in the lab and our sales staff that are capable as well. We bought the Speedy 300 and settled on the 80 watt. We did buy into a couple accessories for our Trotec. We have the honeycomb table. We also got a vacuum table, being that we do a lot of work with thin films. The vacuum table comes in very handy for holding that film down, particularly when we're looking at engraving things down to 10 microns or less.
The partnership with Trotec and IKONICS Imaging is fantastic. It started, many years ago. We've been in the industry together for a long time. However, in the last couple of years, we started doing educational seminars with Trotec, IKONICS Imaging, and JDS actually. The seminars are fantastic for education for the industry. It's one of the main reasons that we also developed a product called Laser Orange, which is a perfect complement for laser and sand carving.
There's several reasons why we ended up purchasing the Trotec. When I was initially looking for a laser, I was pretty unfamiliar with the market. I understood the technology from the physics side. So the first thing we did, being that we have quite a few laser film customers, we started making calls and just getting their opinion of the laser they owned. What eventually came down to is a majority of these end users were suggesting that the Trotec was basically the Cadillac of the industry. And for our purposes, we kind of wanted to pick something on the top end so that we could cover all our bases.
So with the quality of IKONICS Imaging sand carving equipment, when we got our Trotec laser, we were very pleased with the quality because it matched what we see in our sand carving equipment. And the support that we get from the Trotec staff, any questions that we have, has been amazing.
So we had a laser film that preceded the one we went into development on, and what we were seeing is it was selling well, but there were some limitations. We had several customers that were just requesting something a little different, and what the laser allowed us to do was really hone in on these specific applications and test those, and that way we were able to develop another laser film, but something that was more unique for those applications. This was a great purchase for us because it really expanded our knowledge on the laser industry and really allowed us to develop a film the right way. We would definitely buy another Trotec. It has been a great experience.
See the partnership with the Trotec and IKONICS Imaging just growing stronger as the years go on. Basically, when you are working with 2 different companies that complement the industry, you're just going to be together. It's a marriage that's going to continue for a long time.
For more information, you can check out iconics imaging.com.